You know that no matter how good your video may be, one thing can actually spoil that video. One thing can actually kill that video for not getting reach wider audience or not getting any click. One thing can actually spoil the video. That thing is called thumbnails. Do you know that your thumbnail can actually attract more click on your videos? If you create good thumbnails for your videos, people will actually click on that videos to watch what that video is all about. So I found out that most people have been stuck in this kind of situation whereby after more effort that they have put in creating their videos, the only problem that they have is the thumbnail. Okay, how they can create or sit down to create a good thumbnail that will actually talk about their videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create good thumbnails like this. I want you to see example, okay? Just take example, how bright these images are, okay? Just take a look and see, okay? Let me go more and think, okay, just take a look on this very one, take a look on this one, take a look on this one. These are AI image generator. Take a look on this one. So I use an AI image generator to create this kind of images. So I'm going to walk you guys through on two AI images, image creator. So we will check which one is more better and which one is more brighter. I think the last one is more better. The first one is also better, but that one you can upscale those image. But this last one, you don't need anything like upscaling the image or enhance your image. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So as you are watching this video, make sure you join my community by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, and tell me if this video actually help you to solve one of the problems that is actually disturbing you on your YouTube journey. So on this video, we are going to go over to my Chrome browser. Okay, under my Chrome browser, I actually want to type this. So we're going to use Microsoft Designer. Okay, this is it. This is the Microsoft Designer. Okay, so I'll click on this very one. So it's going to bring us into this interface. So I'm going to make another video about this AI image generator. It's one of the good AI image generator out there that you can generate good realistic images, okay? Especially for those that are writing African folk tales. You can actually use these AI tools to generate more images for your videos, okay? So it doesn't have any restriction, it doesn't have anything like limit. You can generate thousands of images that you want. So on here, we're going to put our our onto the lamp scale, which is the YouTube ratio. So I'm click on where I will add my description. For this video, I've already written my prompts. Okay, I've already written my prompts for this image that I actually want to generate, which I'm going to leave the prompts in the description of this video if you actually want to use it to generate your images. So what you need is just for you to change some of the text, okay? Some of the things that you actually need in your own image, just change it and use these prompts. It will actually help you very well. Maybe you can change the character to a female or to a male, anyhow you actually want it. So I'm going to paste these prompts. As you can see, the prompt says generate a cozy and innovative AI image featuring a breathtaking African American and Japanese woman with a long black COVID hair wearing a plain white t-shirt that says the review corner. That is the name of my channel. In a black letter, she's sitting in a black letter. She's sitting in a home office, smiling, looking happy, filled with some home gadgets like wireless charger pad, aerobic keyboard, mouse, adjustable laptop stand, smart desk, desk lamp, Bluetooth, a modern architecture written in a journal. The atmosphere should exhaust in inspirations with elements like whiteboard, vibrant colors, post in a note and think tank style. So what I will do, so I'll click here. Okay, so I'm going to click on generate. So I'll click on generate. So let's wait and see the kind of image that this thing is going to bring for us. Okay, so we are going to do two style. After this one, we are going to test the other AI image generator and for other thumbnails for our videos, which we are going to do again as well. So let's watch and see the kind of image this thing is going to generate. So fine, let me click on one of the image and let's zoom it and see. Okay, if you take a look on this image, you see that the image is so bright. Okay, so this image you can actually use it for your thumbnail. The only thing that you just need is just for you to put on the word that you actually want, which is the text on the word of this. So let's check. We say now take a look on this very one. You see what I wrote is what he brought for me. He said the review corner. Okay, so I put on the review corner on it. So let's check this one. You see the image. See how fine this image are. Just take a look on how nice this image are looking. Okay, just take a look. Let me just zoom it. See. So now we have tested the first AI image generator, which is the Microsoft designer. So this is the one Microsoft designer generate for us. So on this same one, we can minimize this and go in onto one of the AI image generator. So let me go on that very one. So that one is called Google Google Image FX. Okay, Google Image FX. So this is it, Google Image FX. So if you click on this Google Image FX, it may tell you that your location is is currently not available. Just take a look on this. I want you to pay attention on this. The Google image is not available in your country. Okay, so what you will do for you to be able to get these tools available for you, just click on it. Just click on what they say that is not available in your country. Okay, so once you click it, I've already installed it on my phone. You can go to Google Play Store and install this thing. Okay, just go to Google Play Store and search for it, install it. It's going to be installed. Okay, don't forget about what they are telling you that is not available in your country. Okay, just install the app. I'm going to leave the link of this app so that you can actually install it directly on your phone. Now, the same prompts that we use to generate that same image on Microsoft Image Designer, we are going to paste that same link here and let's see what will happen. Okay, so let me paste the link, but before I do that, I think I have to do some settings here. Okay, so if you check on this, the down part of this stuff here, you see settings, you see edit history, you see input. Okay, so what I will do now, I'm going to come over to this settings. I'll click on settings and then here there is something I want you to pay attention. I'm going to lock this image. Okay, because I want consistent images. Okay, I don't want image that they will bring me different type of image. So that is the reason why I have to lock this. So you have the best quality lamp scale. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I've already locked my image. So I'll click on this place that say input, and here on the input I'm going to input my prompts. So I've pasted my prompts, so I'll click on generate. So it's actually loading down here. So now let's watch and see the kind of image this website or this AI image generator is going to generate for us. So boom, I think it have generated our image. So it's actually loading for now. So just take a look on this image. Guys, I want you to pay attention to this image. The two AI image generator generate good quality image, but there is something here. I want us to take a look and look very well. I want us to look this image is very well. You see that one of the AI image generator generate good realistic image. You don't need to upscale this image. Okay, you don't need to upscale this image. Okay, just take a look how beautiful, how creative this image is. He give me exactly what I need. So this is a powerful AI image generator that you can use to generate image for your YouTube channel, for your YouTube thumbnails as well. Now we have tested this. I want us to also test for thumbnails. Okay. Now I want us to use another prompts that I actually want to show you in this video. So I will leave all the prompts that we use in this video in the description of this video. So now I'm going to click on this place to minimize this, and I will go to my notepad on my phone to copy another prompt. So all these prompts I will leave it for you guys in the description of this video so you can actually check them out. Okay, so I'm going to look for, okay, no, I'm not going to look for this one. Let me look for, okay. So now I'm going to copy these prompts. So these prompts say generate a cousin and innovative AI image featuring a realistic African American and Japanese woman with a long black curved hair wearing a plain white t-shirt standing in a black light lightly blue background holding holding and pointing finger on a YouTube logo. Okay, so we are going to copy it. I think if I did not get this prompt very well, we can actually rewrite it. Okay, so what I will do now, so what I will do on this one, I'll remove this test by clicking on this. So I've already removed the test, so I'm going to click on input my test again. Please pay close attention on this. So I will click on generate. So let's wait and see. The best thing about this AI image generator is that he give you, he highlights some key point your of your prompts. Okay, so you see, you actually give us what we need, but the YouTube thumbnail color is different. Okay, so I think it's generate only one. So what I will do, I will go back to my prompts, to these prompts. Oh, it uploaded another stuff. So what I will do, I will copy another prompts. So I'll copy these prompts. I'll copy these prompts. Okay, I'll copy these prompts and then go back and test it again. So pay close attention. So I'm going to paste it. So all these prompts that we use, I will leave it in the description of this video. So let's generate this one and see how this one will look like. So it's actually loading. So he will highlight everything that we use in this video. He will highlight them for us. Okay, so now I want us to look on this image. Okay, just take a look on this image, how beautiful and nice this image look like. So you can actually use this image for your YouTube thumbnail. The only thing you can do is to download this image. If you want to download, just click on this and then you download your image. Okay, so now this same prompt, let's test this same prompt in the other Microsoft Image Designer. So I'm going to minimize this and then go over to our Chrome browser. Please, if you have not joined my YouTube channel by subscribing to my YouTube channel, please just do that by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's free. Just subscribe so that you don't miss whenever I upload new content. You'll be the first person to reach to notify. Okay, so I really appreciate you for your time for watching this video to the end right now. So I'll click on generate. Remember, we are testing two AI image generator to know which one is better. Okay, the two are better, but one generate more realistic images, just like the one I showed you, the last one. Okay, so let's watch and see what this one will actually generate for us. Okay, so you see, this one did not actually generate good images, but maybe it depends on the kind of prompt this one generate. So let's try and generate again. I think it will still generate the same image. So the one I recommend most that you can use to generate your image for your thumbnail videos for your YouTube. I think is that Google FX image generator is so good. It's more perfect than any other thing. Okay, so try that one. You will get accurate image for your YouTube videos. Okay, so if we go back again and try the same prompts, we will also generate the same thing. If you see the image, you will see that it's actually different. Okay, so let's remove this and still paste the prompts again. That same prompt that I pasted on the other side, you'll see that they will still give us that same this same image. Okay, because we lock the image, we lock it so that it will keep on generating the same image for us, so that it will not be generating different images for us. Okay, but let's watch and see what the outcome may be. Okay, so guys, you see, so he actually generate the same thing what I said. So if you take a look, you see very nice images. Okay, just take a look. You see the image are so clear. You don't need to enhance this kind of image. You don't need to upscale your image. All these images are very nice. So now I will download this image. I've already downloaded the image, guys. So if you open this image, which I just opened, and zoom it, you see the image very clear and very bright. So thank you for watching this video. I believe you have seen a better solution that you can use to solve your thumbnails problem. So you don't create boring thumbnails any longer again. So start creating good thumbnails for your videos. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention to this video. Love you. See you in another video.